Levitation is a new tea brand which presents a unique tea drinking system. Let's see how it works. As a new way to experience tea, Levitation encourages people to slow down and relieve stress while taking some time to brew and drink a bottle of tea. To achieve this, Levitation preserves and reinvents the traditional tea brewing process. The way the system works is that you simply press a button on the cap to inject tea into the pure water and watch the tea slowly diffuse to relieve stress. To personalize this reusable system, you can customize your tea bottle by choosing various colors. To select a tea flavor, you can sort by popularity and read reviews on each flavor. The packaging of the tea capsule is made of wax, which is completely biodegradable. After use, you can simply throw it into your garden along with the other compostable materials. As a brand, the Levitation website supports social networking, which allows people to share impressions of the brand, to connect other consumers, or to be an influencer on Instagram and YouTube. Even if you're a beginner, our website has a tutorial explaining how to post about your lifestyle with the Levitation brand. Find us on Instagram by searching #Levitation to connect with others and learn more about their Levitation lifestyle.